Hey kinfolk, we're keeping our holiday recipe series rolling with one of our absolute favorite holiday side dishes, Southern style green beans. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need fresh or frozen green beans, smoked turkey, yellow onion, garlic, butter, chicken broth, bay leaves, Creole seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and crushed red pepper. Start by dicing a yellow onion. Mince 4 cloves of garlic. In a pot, melt 4 tablespoons of butter. Toss in onions and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the minced garlic and cook for about 30 seconds just until fragrant. Then add in the smoked turkey. Pour in 4 cups of chicken broth and 4 cups of water. Season with Creole seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, a dash of cayenne pepper, and crushed red pepper. Add 2 bay leaves. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat, cover, and let it cook for 30 minutes. Once the first 30 minutes are up, stir in the green beans, cover, and let them cook low and slow for an hour and a half. After an hour and a half, cut the heat and remove the smoked turkey and bay leaves. Pull the meat from the bones. Then add it back to the pot. And there you have it, Southern style green beans. We hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our recipes. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.